the the Excel index function uh, returns the value at a given location in a range or array. In a range or array. You can use the index to retrieve individual values or entire rows and columns. You get that now? Example. Return, okay, return the value at position 4. Or let me use name so I don't get it confused. So which name is at position 4? Huh?
I think at this, so please at this point, I think I'm lost. Oh.
I have not started. I'm explaining first. I said
Okay.
the index function returns the value at a given location in a range or array. And I said you can use the index to retrieve individual values or entire rows and columns. You get now? Now I'm asking a question. Name is a column. Look at the column. What do you see in that column? You have different names. Abi? So name is column. So I'm asking on that column name, which name is
Yes.
on position 4? Which name is on position 4? Is it long?
Kobe.
Eh?
No, it's Kobe.
Kobe is position 4. Who else? Is it correct?
Bureau.
Okay, so let's see now. Let's see if it's correct. So
From
look at it. Look at the formula. Let's see if it's correct. Equals index. Play lookup is very simple. Array. The array means now where am I picking the position from? So I'll select everything like this. This is the array. Then comma row number. What is the position for? Then enter. Do you see that?
Sharp.
yeah, but not this one.
Did you see what I did? Did you see what I
Yes,
did?
sir.
Just
No
the
see.
Yes, sir.
array, then 4. Because we are looking for position 4. If I say you look for position 2, array, then 2. If I say look for position 5, bring position 5, array, then 5. That's how you'll be doing it.
Okay.
But if I said you should look for position 6 and February salary, that is 2 dimension. This one now is single dimension. Are you listening? This one we did now is single dimension because we are using only the array and the row number. But if I say you should do 2 dimension, you're going to make use of the array, the row number, and the column number. Do you understand? Did you get
The
the
row
explanation?
number and the column number. Which one are you to insert first? If I can remove this
The
phone
one
from
I
here.
the one I did now is row number, which is the position 4. So I'm saying that this one we did now is 1 dimension, is single dimension. So I want to look for 2 dimension. I want to look for 2 dimension. But any question on this single dimension? Any question? Miss Ruth, Miss
No,
Ross,
sir.
Shehu, Chris, any question? Any
No
question?
question.
Well understood, Abby.
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to do for 2 dimension, let's I want to look for name. Let's say let's use um, January. So I want to use it to get the January salary. What is January salary? From your end, what is January salary?
11,841 dollars.
So what is the position of Kelly?
Kelly's in position 8.
So
I'm in position 7.
let's try it. Equals index, then array number, array, you select everything like this, comma.
Okay.
What is the row number? You say 7, Abby.
Yes.
What is the column number of January?
2.
2.
True.
Did you see it?
Yes.
Just like VLOOKUP. Just like VLOOKUP. Do you get that now? Just like VLOOKUP. So the difference between these two is that the difference between the VLOOKUP and the index is that this one is more advanced compared to that of VLOOKUP. More advanced. When you start using it to solve questions, it's more advanced compared to VLOOKUP. We call it senior brother to VLOOKUP. Senior brother to VLOOKUP. So that is that for um, index.
Just like that.
Miss Ruth, you want to ask a question? You are raising your hand. Hello, Miss Ruth. Want to ask question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, what if it's a large data set and you don't
Yeah.
know the position of
Okay. Do you get what he said? He said, what if it's a large data set?
No, sir.
He said, what if this data set is very big, like the whole of Lagos State? Do you understand? That's what he's trying to say. That how will you know the position of Kelly? Because with our eyes, you can see the position. But if the data set is like 10,000 rows, how will you identify the position? That is our question. And it's a very good question. And that is what we are doing next. Match. So let's go on. Match. So copy this one. Copy again. Then paste. So that is what we are doing next. Match. So what is match? The match function offers together with index to provide rows and column numbers. So this match returns the position. If you don't know position, if you don't know the position,
Take this
you
one.
use
Who
match
is the
to
next?
return position. Can you hear me?
Listen this one.
If you don't know,
Yes, sir.
if you don't know position, you use match. Match is used to return the position. Like she said, how are we going to know the position? For instance, now I want to get the position of long. I will just say equals match. Then lookup value. What am I looking for? I'm looking for um I'm looking for long. I'm looking for long. Then where am I looking for long from? If I have large data, I'll just click here, Control Shift arrow down to select the entire data. So I'll pick my comma, then exact match. So you can see that it return 9. That match is on position 9. So I can use this position 9 now to get my January, February, or March salary. Is that clear? That answer your question now.
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, Tom, yeah, which part? I'm listening. I'm listening. Tell me. Miss Ruth first. Did you understand the explanation I gave now? Is it okay with you?
This was not
Yeah?
I stepped out to do-
You
I
said
said
what?
I stepped out to do something. I was not online.
What did you say?
Please, can you explain this? I was not online. I was not on my system.
Where did you go? What happened? But do you get the index that I explained?
I I saw the index you explained.
Do you understood it? Is it okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, this is it. This is it.
Sir, please take the
This is it. Let me explain the two.
After you explained the
Let me
index, that's
explain.
when I stepped out.
Let me explain the two. Let me explain the two. You know the index. The index now. Let me use an office as example. You walk into an office. You say you're looking for Daniel. Yeah? That you are looking for Daniel. You want to know Daniel's position in the office. Now you know Daniel, but you don't know Daniel's position. Do you understand? For me to know Daniel's position, I will use match. I know Daniel. I want to get Daniel's position inside the company from the list. I will use match to get Daniel's position. Now, if I know that Daniel's position is position 19, and I don't know his full name, I don't know his name, and I say walk into the office, I say I want to know the person that is on 19th position in this company. I want to know the person's name, and I want to know the person's full name. That is index, because you know the position of that person. You're just looking for the name. You're looking for the full details of that person. You understand now? That is different between match and index. The index we did before, the one we did earlier on, if you look at it, we use the index to, to call out some certain things. Why? Because we are seeing the row number. We are seeing the row number. Or somebody now asks us that if you have large data sets that you don't know the position, what are you going to do? That's what made me to tell you that, okay, if you have a large data set, to get the position of a particular number, you make use of what? Match function. You get that? So, index return value, match return position. Take note, index returns the value, match returns the position. So for me to get the position of long, I start with the lookup value. What is the lookup value? Is that particular thing you want to get the position. That is what I mean by lookup value. So what I want to get the position is long. Long is my lookup value. So table array now says, where are you picking long from? What column are you picking long from? So I'm picking long from the column name. That's why I selected that
A.
name. Then exact match. That's all. Any other person, any question?
Sir, what's the zero? What's the zero all about? Sorry.
That zero is exact match. Exact match.
Eh, what I don't understand what the zero stand for. Is it
That zero is exact match. Look at it.
yeah,
Look at it. You have less than, less than. You have less than. You have exact match. You have greater than. So if you want to return the exact position of that long, you make use of exact match.
okay, exact match.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Mr. Dan,
I'm here with you.
what
So,
if you decide to use 9?
to use
9 instead of that 0.
to use one.
9, 9, 9.
Why will you use 9?
9, 9.
Why will you use 9?
Because that's the index number. I feel is the index number.
No, now. 9 is look at it. You see, it's 3 options. Less than.
9 is little.
No 9 there. Less than. Exact match and greater than.
Okay.
See, no 9 there. No need to put 9. It's wrong. It's 0. Exact match. If you have multiple, take note of this. If you have little twice, if little appear twice, if a little appear twice, it will return the first one.
But
It will return the first one. Take note. So that is that for.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
When do we know when to less than?
Huh?
There was an icon you pressed. When do we know when to use less than or greater than
Okay, that's
or
what I'm saying. I'm
zero?
still coming there. All those approximate stuff, I'm still coming there. But what you are concentrating on now, I don't want to get it complicated. What you're concentrating on now is the
Okay.
exact match. I will explain that approximate side.
Okay, exact match is 0, right?
Exact match is 0, yes.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Okay, let me give you a
because I
scenario.
didn't
Let me
get
give you a
0.
scenario.
I didn't use
Let
0.
me give you a scenario now. In that approximate match. Let's say both of us
Okay.
both of us are working in a company. Are you listening? Mr. Chris,
Yes, sir.
are you
I'm
listening?
hearing you.
I want to give you a scenario of that approximate match. Why? It's not like common. People don't use it like that. But I will explain it in the class. I will show you when to use it. So both of us are in a company, and I collect my salary is let's say 10,000 naira, and your own salary is 10,200, and root salary is 10,500. You understand? All of us have salary in range of 10,000. Eh? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
If I go and use exact match, if I go and use exact approximate match for that kind of thing, approximate match is true. It will pick anyone. It will pick any of us because we are in the range of 10,000.
Yes.
I will explain it with a table, so I will clear it out for you. Is senior brother of if statement. I will show you how to do it. So instead of you writing long if, you can just use a approximate match. Just do your work, and that's all. So that is that for match function. So with this match function now, I can get my equals index. I can get look at it, array. What is the array? Let's say I need this array, comma, row number 9, comma, okay, 9, let's just say 9. You can see that I return long because I know the row number. Do you get it now? So,
Yes, sir.
so next, this is a match. Index and match together.
Match.
Index and match. Now go on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Don't for your phone, oh. I don't get money to buy alarm for you. So I'm moving to index and match. So look at this example I want to put now. I'm making use of two of them. Oh, why am I down? 1 minute coming. So the last question now. So look at what I'm doing. Name and February. So if I'm asked to use index and match, are you listening? To look for the February.
Sir.
Yes. Are we listening? Nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. No.
Yes, sir. We are
So if I'm to ask, if I ask you now, if I ask you now to use index and match to return the February pay, which one will come first? Is it index or match? Which one will come first?
Match.
Why?
Index.
Why?
index.
Why? Explain now.
Why? Because what you gave us, index came before
Match
March.
Because you
because
need to locate the position first.
you need the position to get the lookup value, that is to get the name.
Yeah.
So which one? Is it match or index?
That is match.
Match.
You're using match to get the
The
index value.
index value.
I'm using match to get the index value. So
Match actually is the positioning. So for the positioning,
you're
you can
telling me
get
now that based on my explanation,
Index is the reposition, not match. Index is the position.
who is going for match? Let me know how many people are going to. How many of us match? If you are for match, say match. Only one person. Please, that lady don't leave you. Only you say
I'm for my index.
Wow. Eighty man do
I'm
man
for
now.
index.
The lady don't leave you
Present, sir.
now. Who else?
I
Okay,
slap
for
you.
index, how many of us?
All of them.
I'm for
Wait.
index.
Either you're for index or you're for match, you must be for one. Okay, so what comes first?
I'm for
For
index.
index,
Yeah, what comes first is index.
To find
Understand? Index is the first thing because with index I can get your position also. You understand? Because row number is inside the formula of index. You understand? Row number is there. So let's go on. What comes first here is what? Equals index. So anytime you're trying to combine index and match, know that index will come first. You can see the formula: array, row number, and column number. So now I'll be asking again, what is the array? What is the array?
A to
Huh?
A.
No.
A to C10.
No. what are we finding with index? What are we finding? We are looking for the February pay, Abi. So
Yes.
Yes.
you start from January down to March like this. Are you following? Next. What is the next under the
Yes,
formula?
sir.
Why-
Why do you include D, sir? Why do you include column D
You know,
here?
I'm combining formulas. I know what you're trying to say. So I'm combining formula. Just follow the order first. If I finish, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So what is the next under the formula? Row,
I'm using the phone on my system.
row what? Row number. So how do we get this row number?
No,
We
row
don't know the
number.
row. We don't know the row number, right?
Okay. Yeah.
But we know the name. True or false?
Yes.
So I'll use match. Since I know the name, I don't know the row number. I'll use match. Match. Then this is the name, right? That's so comma. Where am I picking the name from?
A column A.
Good. Column A down to um,
A10.
comma exact match. Then comma. What is the position of that February?
3.
Lie. You not forget what we select before. From B2 to D10. So what position is it?
You
Two, two,
2.
you said February
So
now.
two.
You missed
Selected from January.
you missed one step. That's why. So you can see it.
Okay.
You missed one step. See, this is the column here. This is what we selected from here. Can you see it? From B2
Yes.
to D10. So if I say from B2 to D10, what is position of February? It's 2 now. Do you understand?
Oh, oh,
Uh,
I get it now.
so I try your own.
So we are only using for the position for B because name is excluded. So we'll take it from January, February, March. Like B will
Yes,
be
yes.
1, C will be 2. D. Okay, now I get. Sorry for my.
Mr. Dan, I got a different answer.
Away. How? How?
I got 5194.
5194. From which area is that one now? 51. That is 5194. It's correct now.
Don't know.
It's correct now.
94.
If you go 5194, it's correct now. Correct. So, class, do this for me. I will explain first before you do it. Hello, you want to talk?
Yes, I want to talk. Mr. Dan,
Yes. Oh
he
yeah.
said, where did you get that? Oh, you've moved that of it. That dollar sign, where did you include it? When I did my own, the dollar sign was not showing. The dollar sign.
Dollar sign. I don't include dollar sign. It's on the table. I don't include anything. If it's not showing, no problem. Leave it like that. I will show you where to put dollar sign.
When I
Um, Madam Ruth, you want to ask
on, it's
question?
not showing the dollar sign.
Madam Ruth, you're raising your hand. Shehu, who is going first? Who is asking first?
I wanted to sorry index first, but I
Huh?
didn't get it.
Which one?
I used index first, but I didn't get it.
The index. Should I explain it again? Should I explain
As
again?
in, why I didn't get what you said.
Should I explain again from the beginning?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, watch. Mr. Sheung, should I explain from the beginning? Or you have another question you want to ask? Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Let's go on.
so from
Okay, let me explain. Let me explain from the
for
beginning.
that's from January to February.
Okay. Let me explain it from the beginning.
Within February also.
So equals index. I say index will come first before March. So we have array. So you are looking for February P. So I select from January to March. You get that? So now, for me to get the position, I will make use of March return position now. Then I pick the value of what I'm looking for is position. Then table array, where am I picking the value from? Name. Then exact match. Exact match. Close, comma. What is the position of February? When I select from B2 to D10, the position is 2. So I ask the question again for me. Any question again? Okay. So look at what you're doing for me now. Look at what you're doing for me. Can you see my screen very well?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So we have long, we have match. They say we should get the sales of long match. We should get the sales. They want it to be dynamic. You know what I mean by dynamic? That okay, the person can decide to change this match to February. Huh? The person can decide to come here now and change this long to Kelly to give you another value. So that is what they want. They want to do a formula whereby you can change anything. You can decide to change anyone you want to change. Okay? Match.
Yes, sir.
Then so look up. Let me do it. I'm not sure you can. Let me do it. So I'll give you classwork now. Equals index. Oh yeah, which one will be the lookup value? Which one are we doing first? What are we picking first? Based on the explanation I give, what are we picking first?
Lookup value.
Who is talking? Oh, based on the explanation I gave now, what are we picking first?
The
January to March.
the array
Now, that I've explained now. Next, what is the row number? We don't know, but we know that it's long, Abby. Say March. Lookup value long. Where are we picking long from? From here down. Are you following? Exact match. Then close. What again? For match. How do we get match? You click on another match function. Lookup value. What is the lookup value? Match. What is the table array? Where are we picking March from? From January to March. Then exact March. Close your bracket. So as it is now, I can come here and put any name to give me the March. I can come here and change it. I say I don't want January. I don't want March again. I want January. I can come again and swipe this one. So I don't want this one again. I want.
I don't understand though.
Am I doing magic?
It's
Yes.
complex.
Eh?
It's complex, sir.
It's not complex. It's not complex. Do you understand this one? Do you understand this one? This one.
No.
Small.
Ah.
I understand that one.
Okay. 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 Let's do it again.
Okay, so start from this first one you are now. Where you are now?
I'll delete this one. I'll delete this one. Let me leave this one first. Oh yeah. Chris, I have now. Equals what? You know why I'm using index, Abby? Eh? Hello, Chris.
I can hear you.
You know why you're using index, Abby?
Yes.
So what are we going to pick?
You are picking the name A2.
No, don't say name. You're not picking name. What are you returning? You're returning February sales. So you're picking from January to March. Don't make mistake on
February.
January to March. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next. What are you looking for again? What are you looking for? The row number. The date
The
of March.
row number
Since you don't know it,
6.
you don't know
Yes.
you don't know it. You don't know that it's 6. You don't know. So I'll just click on the column. Do you get it?
G4. Yes.
Then where am I picking it from?
A2 to A10.
Then exact. Close your bracket, comma. What is the column position of February based on the January to March?
2. Yes.
That clear now.
Yes, sir.
So this one now have two. It has a name and it has months. So that means you need a two match. Do you understand? You need one index
Yes.
and two match.
Okay, sir.
So I said equals
Index.
index. The array. What is the array? January to March.
So much.
March.
Then index. March. I mean March. What is the lookup value? Which one are we going first? Alpha.
Index.
G.
Where are we picking it from? Exact.
A2 to A10.
Next. For February. Another match. Lookup value. February. Where are we picking February from? From this row. Then exact match. Then close bracket.
Excuse me.
Sir, please come again with formula, please.
Be looking at it. If you enter your head now, be looking at it.
So we're looking at it to enter. It will not enter if you do not practice.